So now let's look at another program here. Here I have taken 3 values. So to explain the syntax here, you have input, which is a Python syntax. Float is also a Python syntax. So this one will take a value from the user, and then I'm going to convert it into float, which is this syntax here. So I'm taking 3 variables from the user. So enter A, it will print something like enter A, I print value, and then enter B, then print value. Then this will be like A will be 3, B will be 4, and C will be 6, and the result is printed. So here I have 2 formulas, and this formula and that formula here, A plus B into C. So B is multiplied by C and then added to A. And here A is multiplied with each other and then divided by B and then added together. So you can put any formula here, but only thing you need to understand is you need to take 3 values from the user, store it in ABC, and then you use a formula to calculate it and print it out. And the syntax here is you use F to print the value, and this is the placeholder. And when I run this program, so it's going to ask for, say, some value. I'm going to print 5, and then it's asking for B, and then I'm going to ask for C. And that's it. And then you get the D is 53.0 because it's putting float value. I'm printing as a float, and E is this. So this is how you write a program to read a value from the user, use those variables to calculate some and store it in D. And here I am calculating the input values and then storing it in EE and then printing out this value. So that's a very simple program. Hope you understood. Just if you have questions, do post it on the comments. I'm more than happy to help. Thank you.